Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to enable two-step verification on Telegram. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram, open it. After that, go to settings. After that, go to privacy and security. And after that, go to two-step verification. Click on it. And after that, click on set additional password. I will put like any password just for, okay. Let's skip the hint. Let's put a recovery email. And after that, you should put the code that will arrive to your recovery email. And like that, the password is set. And now you can return to settings to see the two steps verification. It will ask you for password here. This is my password. And as you can see, you can change the password, disable it, or change recovery email. And like that, your two-step verification is activated on your Telegram. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see you in the next one.